Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still a poet here, DJ. So today bengifuna nje sithi ukureview sibheke kuma-album awu-2 la aphumile from abantu abawu-2 which I believe ama-legend amaskandi. So uShwi ukhiphe i-album iphumile, noMtekhala ukhiphe i-album. So ama-album abo ashana ngeviki elilodwa. uMtekhala uyena umuntu ogadle kuqala wakhipha i-album-ke. So zisukile-ke inkulumo because khona ingoma laphana yenziwe uMtekhala laphana ezama ukucacisa kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani ku-situation yabo because ngikhathi kuba nesplit behlukana uMtekhala azange ebe nalo ithuba lokuthi mhlambe ephawule noma esho umbono wakhe decide ukuthula. So usho yena umuntu nje oyibhizi kakhulu ekhuluma ku-media ukuthi nhlo bamdayisile kanjani and futhi yena umuntu onetalent, wena umuntu onama-vocals abo yena akazuba nankinga because akwazi ukucula, which I believe mhlawumbe kwamsebenzela kulesa sikhathi because ngeke ngabona ama-features amaningi akawenza uShwi. Ziningi ingoma ekhona even khona i-album kaSiyantule kuyaphuma kulo nyaka ukhona uShwi ukuyingoma eziwu-2. Khona ingoma kayenze noBig Zone nawe enza kahle kakhulu, izinana music video dlala na-TV. So I think kule split sabo wena umuntu engibona ukuthi uzobenefita kakhulu, but mase ngilalela ama-album even though ngafuni ukwacompare, but mase ngilalela ama-album abephumile I think abantu abaningi kule direction kule album kaMtekhala kuyona ephume kamuva because uMtekhala bekade ethule sonke lesikhathi. So naye-ke useze wakhipha album yakhe-ke ephumile and abantu ngathi bayi-receive kahle nange-performance. I think uma beperform stage, I think uMtekhala ne-group yakhe la I think baperforma better than uShwi uma ebhukhiwe performa because uMtekhala usenayo la element kaShwi noMtekhala babefika benama-dancers and stuff. So uShwi yena-ke bayeperforma nje isikhathi esiningi uvamise ukuthi ebe uShwi nje ahambe yedwa. So angazi ukuthi mhlawumbe lento abizothini because mawulalela ama-album abo anakho ukuxeka la khona eshodayo bomolalela kaShwi yeza ukuthi no uMtekhala uyashoda nakhona mawulalela ngapha la awabalance because omunye ube good ngoba i-backing singer, omunye ube good ngoba i-leader. So I think lento yabo mhlawumbe yenzela between mhlawumbe lebegcine behlale phansi bexoxisana mayikhona indlela mhlawumbe igcine iba khona indlela bangalungisa ngayo because I think izoba khawatha bobabili. But when it's come to music I think mangathiwa mhlawumbe i-album ezwakala kangonyana especially nge-production because le kaShwi ngeke ngazama ukuyilalela. Ikhona ingoma enkulu enomthandeni laphana, yona ngoma enama-numbers but ezinye ingoma angazi ngathi azimasterishiwe kahle. So le yaMtekhala izwakala kahle like i-production but still mothi wayilalela iyashoda leya voice kaShwi because uMtekhala akayona lead singer, ukude kakhulu ngama-vocal and stuff. But I think mayiperforma kangonyana kunoShwi. So mina I think ngaprefer ukulalela le album kaMtekhala mangathiwa mhlawumbe angikhethe kona. So ibuhlungu lento yenzeka kubona but ikasazi ukuba kwenzakalani bona abaziyo and i-album yabo le ababekhiphe ngo-2004 le wangisiza baba iqeda u-21 years. Mhlawumbe bekumele ibe khona mhlawumbe indlela abangahlalisana ngayo so that mhlawumbe kube khona lo celebration mhlawumbe because album yabenza lukhulu and iminyaka u-21 ayona-ke into yokudlala leyo. So angazi ukuthi abantu bazothini but mina I think uMtekhala uzwakale ngathi yabo mhlawumbe yena ngazama ukuthi eyiphushe lento le yamaskandi ephambili mabeshaya lama-career abo ama-solo party. I think bayadingana because into yabo ayimnandi besahlangene. So mabalalela behlukene kanje like kuba khona lento eshoda mhlawumbe makuhamba isikhathi sabalandeli mhlawumbe sojwayela but kwamanje ayingeke lapho uShwi uMtekhala ugude kuma-features uShwi mayegude kuma-features but I think masepheka ingoma i-album yakhe into yakhe ayizwakali kahle. Nami umbono wami lo because even last year uyayikhipha i-album yokuqala lapho uShwi because usebiza ngoShwi Mantombazane khona i-album ayayikhipha nayo ingoma eningi zakhona aphefumanga because mathi ngicheck ama-numbers ayikhona nengoma eyi-1 eyandlula ku-100k la ama-views ku-YouTube kuphela kungazi ku-Spotify nako-Apple Music. So I think ayenzanga kahle. Ngazi-ke le mhlawumbe le because inane-feature enkulu kuyamthandeni because another thing ngithemba ukuthi ngayibheka le yaMtekhala ayinawo ama-features abantu amagama amakhulu uzenzele nje umusic wezenzela ingoma nje ngibona uphinde laphana ofeaturishiwe. So abekho abantu amagama amakhulu but i-album yakhe abantu abalandeli bamaskandi ngathi bayele ngayona le kaShwi inama-features-ke mhlawumbe ngawathola ama-numbers akulo nyaka because ngeke ngababona abantu abafana noSminoff lakhana baningi abantu asebenze nabo even noJaiva Zimnike ukhona kule kaShwi. So angazi soyithini into kaShwi noMtekhala because ama-legend sabahlonipha bobabili but umusic wabo mase bewenza separately I think kuyalekha laphana kulekha ndawo zombili but mina I think uMtekhala uyena umuntu ibhola ngathi okwamanje ngathi ngakuyena lapho because when it's come to i-performance ngibonile khona i-performance etrendayo nje la ku-social media wekade ephefoma le eMpumalanga kade kukhona umcimbi kamaskandi omkhulu laphana. So bephefoma oqala-ke as uMtekhala ephefoma yedwa. So abantu abaningi babuka ngathi bayijabulela i-performance yakhe. So Yeah, I think mina uyena muntu owamanje ngathi ngisahambela ngakuyena nami-ke, but-ke sekhona ku-Twitter @sispeaka nawe, Facebook sispeaka nawe, sikhona naku-Instagram sispeaka nawe, on Twitch, SoundCloud sispeaka nawe. We out.